Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about a replacement cutting head for the Frankford Arsenal case prep and trim center. I've gone through enough brass prep on it now to where it's cutting pretty slowly, and I believe I need to replace the cutting head on it. A lot of people online are saying the RCBS carbide cutting head is the way to go, and I don't disagree. I'm sure it would be great. However, it's $40 and it's out of stock almost everywhere. So I found this guy on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. It was $9 shipped to my door. Don't know if it's going to be any good or not, but we're going to find out. This is a cutting head from MCJ Tools. It looks almost identical to the one that comes with the Frankford Arsenal unit. Okay, I've got my 308 brass full length size. I just bumped the shoulder back a couple thousandths of an inch. So I'm gonna see how much better this replacement $9 cutter is gonna be than my worn out, dull Frankford Arsenal cutter. So I found two pieces of brass that are roughly the same length after resizing, 2013, 2013. So what I'm going to do is cut one with the worn out Frankford Arsenal cutter. Then I'm going to switch the cutter out and put in the $9 MCJ Tools and see how much better it's going to be with this replacement cutter in. I know this is not a fair comparison, but I just kind of want to give you a realistic expectation of the improvement that you can get when you replace your dull cutter with this $9 cutter, if there's any improvement at all. I don't know. Okay, I've got the cutter dialed in at 2.005. And once again, these should be right at 2.013. So I've got a feeling this is going to take a while. This is pretty dull, but here we go. I like to do this syringe method. If you can see my hands, it's kind of like you were using a syringe. This unit wants to kind of move around a little bit. So by doing this, it seems to hold it in pretty good place, and you kind of get a good feel for how much pressure you're putting on it. So you can see it's pretty dull. Let's see where we're at. Started at 2.013, and we're only down to 2.011. So it's only cut 0.02 of an inch. Got a little ways to go. Once again, this is with the dull Frankford Arsenal original cutting head. This is not the new cutter. It may sound like it, but I'm not putting too much pressure on the brass. Let's see where we're at. 2.010. Still got 5 more thousandths to go. .009. So I may speed up this footage if this keeps going on like this. This is going to take a while. I don't want to bore you. Now you can see why I wanted to replace the cutting head. This is pretty awful. .008. So we're getting there slowly but surely. 2.008. Jeez. When this unit was new, it did cut pretty well. So don't think that it's going to cut like this if you get a new one. I've probably cut 500 pieces of brass on it. I would expect the RCBS carbide cutter to get you a little more than 500. And for the price of this unit, I can't complain. And especially if this $9 cutter works, I'll be very happy. 2.007. Getting closer. Only 2 more thousandths of an inch. You can see at this rate, trimming 50 pieces of brass, even 10 pieces of brass, this is going to take quite a while. .006. All right, one more thousandth. I think you get the idea here. .005, finally. So, you can see it needs to be deburred and chamfered, so let's go ahead and do that. So this piece is good to go. Now, this next piece, 2.013, I'm going to change the cutting head and be right back. So here's the old cutting head right here. Here's the new cutting head. They look almost identical, other than the MCJ stamp on the replacement. Matter of fact, this may be the OEM vendor that Frankford Arsenal is getting the cutting head from, because I don't really see a difference at all. Okay, I've got the replacement cutting head installed. I'm going to cut this second piece of 308 brass now and see how it compares. .00055, just like that. .005. Let's try it one more. .010. So this one only needs to be cut 5 thousandths. Let's see how quick it does it. .005, just like that. There you have it. The MCJ Tools replacement cutting head for $9. For the Frankford Arsenal Case Prep and Trim Center. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I'll make an update video if I have to replace this soon. But for $9, you can get 4 of these for the price of one of the RCBS carbide cutters. And like I said, these are in stock, whereas I could not find the RCBS cutter. So I hope you liked this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I try to make as many videos as I possibly can. So stay tuned for more content, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.